Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So for today's video, we are going to be installing, show you guys what these seat covers look like for our Jeep Wrangler. So let's get to it. So we're just gonna do one seat cover because it's 94 degrees today. I'm a little tired and hot, so at least you guys will get a good idea of what it looks like. All right, this will give you a little bit of idea. I'm gonna finish this on another day. I'm getting sweat all over it and I don't want to do that because they're really nice, but this gives you an idea what they look like. Really nice. They are super padded, so they're super soft. I like them a lot. I'm very happy with them. Just tired. So yeah, nice quality, nice color. Once put together completely, you know, once I do it and finish, it's gonna really look nice. It's supposed to be in the 90s for a long time, so I wanted to do this video. Today was supposed to be the coolest day, but it's not. So thank you guys for watching. But yeah, it is really good quality. I think you guys are gonna like it. It's definitely much more padded than your typical seat cover, which is nice because it gives much more comfort.